In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new job in Housecall Pro, a powerful tool for managing your service business. If you're new to the software or just getting started, stick around because I'm going to walk you through each step and share some tips to get the most out of Housecall Pro. First off, let's dive right into creating that new job. Once you're logged into your Housecall Pro account, you'll want to navigate to the Jobs tab on the left-hand side. You'll find an option to Create Job. Click on that. It'll open a new job creation window where you'll enter all the important details. Start by entering the customer's name, address, and any other contact details you have. Next, you can set up the service you'll be providing for this job. Choose from your pre-created services or add a new one. Housecall Pro allows you to add a custom description for each job, which is a great way to keep track of what's being done for each customer. You can also link specific services to the job to ensure that your techs or team members are prepared. After that, you'll want to set the date and time for the job. This is one of the features I love about Housecall Pro. It's really easy to set up appointments and view your schedule. When you set the time, you can also choose whether or not to send reminders to your customer. This feature can really save you time and reduce no-shows. Once the basic details are in, don't forget to assign the job to the right technician or team member. Housecall Pro makes it easy to assign jobs, and you can even track the status of each job in real time. This way, you're always in the loop about how things are going, and you can keep your customers informed with status updates. If you have special notes or instructions for the job, Housecall Pro allows you to add Nila notes or even upload Nila files directly into the job. This is a great feature for managing complicated or high-priority tasks where detailed instructions or additional documentation may be required. Now that you've created your job, you'll notice a variety of ways to keep it organized. You can add the job to your calendar, track payments, and even create invoices. Housecall Pro integrates all of this into one seamless workflow, so managing your business becomes so much simpler. By now, you can see just how easy it is to create a new job in Housecall Pro. If you haven't yet, make sure to check out the exclusive offer for a completely free trial through the link below. This bonus gives you the chance to explore all these features and more, giving you full access to everything Housecall Pro has to offer. To wrap up, remember that Housecall Pro is a powerful tool that streamlines job scheduling, invoicing, and communication with your team and customers. The ease of creating and managing jobs is just one of the reasons so many businesses trust it. So go ahead, try out the free trial, and start simplifying your workflow today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link below for your exclusive bonus.